Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I already started with the back of my head. I will be doing a twist out tutorial today. So for this video, I'm going to go in with the Khlova, Hibiscus, and Avocado conditioning oil. I applied the oil in that one section of my head. And then I'm going to go in with the Castor and Licorice moisturizing cream. This cream is really nice, you guys. I also applied this on just that section of hair. And then afterwards, I'm going to go in with the curl and defining cream, also from Khlova Hair. Now with the curl defining cream, I applied that per twist. Not per section, but per twist. And y'all already know from all of my previous twist outs, don't borrow strands as the #1 rule. And then when you get to the ends, you twirl that around your finger. Now, what I did notice with this length of hair that I have is that as I'm twisting, I tighten the twist as I'm going down because then it won't be poofy. Because if it's poofy, then it won't be as defined as I want it to be. So don't borrow strands. Twirl it around your fingers when you get to the end, and also tighten the hair around itself as you're twisting down so that it's not too poofy. I'm sure you guys have noticed that I only used one brand for this video, which is very unlike me. But the reason why I wanted to do this video with all of Khlova products is because I have tried the products separately and I wanted to see how it would look if I only tried this one brand and see if my hair would respond just as well, because I have used them separate from each other but never like all together like I did today in this video. So I wanted to see how it would come out and how it would look, and I was actually very pleased with the end results. For the takedown, I went in again with the Khlova conditioning oil. And the reason why I use a oil when you're unraveling your twist is so that you get less frizz. Because if you just go in and you just start unraveling, it could get a little bit frizzy. Not always, but sometimes it does. So to help prevent that, usually you go in with an oil on your palms or your fingers so that your hair is not all frizzy when you're unraveling your twist. I don't know if y'all could see, but do y'all see that definition? Like, I haven't even separated the curls yet, and already you can clearly see that these curls are defined. Look at that. Oh my goodness, like y'all. It took forever to dry, like it really did, but these curls, like they came out way better than I thought they would. Like I really didn't think it would be that defined, especially for the length of my hair. But y'all, look at this. Look at that. I was very shocked. Now, before we go any further, please make sure you know exactly what you want to do with this result. So for this result, I personally wanted more volume. I didn't want that much definition. I wanted just a little bit, but I wanted my hair to look fuller than it actually was. So that is why you can see that I'm just splitting the hair down the middle instead of separating the curl like I usually does. So usually I separate the curl where it naturally separates so that I can have more definition. However, for this hairstyle, because I wanted to have more volume, I just split it down wherever I could and then I kept it moving. So make sure you know exactly whether or not you want definition or volume, and then you can decide if you're going to separate the curl like where it naturally separates or just split it down the middle like I did right here. If you guys like how my hair came out and how defined my curls were from this video, be sure to check out my description box where I will have my direct link to Khlova's hair as well as my code for 20% off their products. And personally, y'all, I would advise you to get the bundle that has the curl defining cream because the cream really is good and it really does define your curls, as you can see from this video. And also, they only use natural ingredients for their products. Alright, once you finish, take out your pick and just start picking at the roots so that they don't see what was there before. You know what I'm saying? So you just start picking it. The whole point of picking your roots is so that you hide the parting so that they think we just woke up like this. Because we did. And that's it. So then I'm going to go in with my edge wax from Murray's. And y'all, this really slicks down my edges. Like it stays down. I got this from Sally's, my local Sally's. I didn't get it online, just at Sally's. And then afterwards, that's pretty much it, y'all. Like, that's it. That's all you got to do for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with a friend, and I'll see you next time.